everybody, and welcome to my channel. Today I want to share the 3 projects that I made this month for the FotoBella design team. I was given the Stamperia Orchids and Cats paper collection, and I made a 3-part series using the collection, and I will link in the description box below the 3 tutorials in case you want to make either of the 3 projects. The first project is this wooden box. I bought the wooden box at Michael's, and I used the rice papers to decorate the box. I used just paints for the bottom part and the rice papers on the top, and some of the chipboard and the stickers and some flowers from my stash. In the inside, the box is also decorated with the rice papers and the cover and the top lid and the bottom lid. Inside of the box are the other 2 projects. So this one is the card that I made, and it matches the front of the box too with the window. So I used the window here, and I made a gatefold. So this opens up. There is a belly band here that you can tuck something behind. And on the back side, there's also a smaller card, so if you wanted to write a sentiment on here, you could, and then this could be used as part of the folio, which I'll show you in just a moment. The folio is a 7" by 7" folio designed to fit inside the box. It is made with just plain cardstock from Michael's, and then all of the paper collection bits and pieces, and some of the chipboard. I have a full tutorial, which I will list in the description box below. Inside the folio, in the first flap, there is a booklet for photos. Just one of the cut-aparts. And a little journal that I made using some of the stamps from the collection. This pocket is really deep, and even this card, if you wanted to put it in the album, could fit in here if you chose to do so. This set will be listed for sale on my Etsy shop, which I will also link in the description box below. Here I have a tuck spot with 2 of the little tiny tags. Here is a half pocket with one of the cut-aparts and a little photo booklet here. And this opens up, room for a photo there, and then a little bookmark from the collection. This opens again this direction, and there are 2 little cut-aparts. There's a cut-apart and a photo mat here, and these keep this flap closed. So this flap opens up. There's a bookmark here. This flap opens up again, and then there is a small tuck spot here with a tag, and then there's another tuck spot here with one of the cut-aparts and a photo mat. In the center part, these flip open, and there's a lot of room just to put some loose things. So I have photo mats with the decorative papers. I have a little photo booklet here. I have one of the cut-aparts from the collection and one of the circular cut-aparts. And lots of other things can be tucked in depending on how much stuff you want to put in here. And it just closes up like that. This flips here, and then the back is just plain with the paper. So if you are interested in purchasing this actual box, folio, and card, it will be available on my Etsy shop. So again, the description box below will have a link to that. There is a full video tutorial on my channel. I will link in the description box below for this. And then there are photo tutorials on the FotoBella blog for the card and for the box. So I will link all of that in the description box below if you are interested in checking any of those out. And I will also link the FotoBella website in case you are interested in purchasing this paper collection from them. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.